Hey guys, these are the notes on 8.5H, and you should be very successful in this, in that it's stuff we've already done. So 8.5H, we're going to identify examples of proportional and non-proportional functions and that's it. Okay, we don't need to write the rest. So instead of writing all these questions out, I obviously copied them, and you can write them out or print a copy of these notes. But let's work through them. It says, a repairman works 8 hours a week. He charges $50 plus $35 per hour. The equation that shows this relationship is C equals 50 plus 35H. Which statement is true about this relationship? Well, before we look at the answers, we should already know that 35 is our slope, as it's next to our magic word per, and it's also next to the H, or in other words, next to the X. 50 is our set cost, so we know that's our y-intercept. So if we were to write this, it would be y equals b plus mx, because it says 50 plus 35h. So since it has a y-intercept, we know it is non-proportional. Let's look at our answer choices. It says it is proportional and linear with a slope of 35. Well, the slope is 35, but it's non-proportional, so we can mark that one off. It is non-proportional and linear with a y-intercept of 50. I like that answer. It is not linear. That's not true, and we pretty much only deal with linear equations. It is linear and non-proportional with a slope of 50. So they have the 50 in the wrong place. So of course our answer is B. That is the one that works. Let's look at the next one. It says, which statement is not true of the graph of a proportional relationship? If anybody misses this, I'm going to have to come visit you in your other class. So we're looking for the one that is not true. So our answer choices are, it is linear, it contains the origin, it cannot have a constant ratio that is less than 1, and it shows a constant ratio. So we know that it's going to be linear, we know it goes through the origin, and we know when we have a table and we divide y divided by x, it will be a constant ratio. So therefore H is the one that does not work. On the next question, it says, which table represents a proportional relationship? So let's get our calculator and see which one works. Let's turn it on, let's clear it. And let's hit stat, enter, let's put in the X, tab over, put in the Y, stat, tab 4, enter all the way down. And we know that there is no y-intercept, so this one is proportional. So in saving time, I'm not going to go through the rest of them, but F is proportional. And for the last question, it says, which equation shows a proportional relationship? Well, we can see that F has a y-intercept, so that is not it. We can see H has a y-intercept, and that is not it. G only has a slope, so therefore that is your answer. That'll do it for 8.5H notes. Your assignment is on the next page. Thank you for watching.